Hier be dragons. Pa se codewoord draf ek in 'n oogwink kaf. So dad's password, I managed to find it in the wink of an eye. Kaf draf means to find something easily or do something easily. Kaf draf, but now it's split. Draf ek in 'n oog van kaf. Normally it's never used in that manner, which means it's they change the word order. My mees surf dwingend op nuwe ruimtes af. So that's personification. My mouse serves urgently onto new territories. So that's it's a computer mouse displaying human qualities. I think it's surfing, so therefore it's personification. Los me pa, laat me gaan. Leave me dad, let me go. Inligting is my religie and Google Earth my God. Information is my religion and Google Earth is my map. Dagen uit die strate vol. Drugs and marijuana are full in the streets. And onnies vertroetel ook maar graag. Means teachers also sometimes partake in these things, these drugs. Ons weet pa, we know dad, ons keyboards is wyser as jy dink. Our keyboards are cleverer than you think. So keyboards can be cleverer, so that's also personification. Because keyboards cannot be wise. Laat ons gaan, laat ons reis. Let us go, let us travel. Na kletsvriende in Polen, na hekse in Parijs. Let us travel on the internet to chatting friends in Poland and witches in Paris. Waar anders pa sal ons geslag ons vlae plant? Where else, Father, can our generation plant our flags? Meaning that when people conquered certain parts of the world, they planted their flags there. Like even when they went to the moon, they planted the flag. So where do we go, our generation? There's nothing else to look for. Om claims af te steek. Nothing to claim anymore. Los me pa, laat me gaan. Leave me dad, let me go. So there we see the first four, 1, 2, 3, the first three. Die eerste drie het quatraine. Because there are 4 lines. And then the 1, 2, 3, fourth line has 3 lines, which is different. And the next one is alleen plasing, because it's a line on its own. Los my pa, laat me gaan. Leave me dad, let me go. Maar hou oop jou hart eendag. Gaan daar 'n virus wees of 'n worm of 'n Trojaanse perd wat meer gaan doen as komperkraak. He said, but leave me dad, but keep your heart open, because one day I'll need you. There'll be a virus or a worm or a Trojan horse which can do more damage than computer damage. Dan pa, dan sal my brein met jou wil praat. Then dad, then I'll need you to help me. Sal jy daar wees pa as ek moet vlug? Will you be there dad if I have to flee or run away from a pedophile or a thief in the night? Sal jou oor dan oop wees pa? Will your ears be open to help me dad? A USB vir my gemoed. Will you be a USB for my mood? Of gaan jy stig 'n vuurwal gooi en my die kuberstorm self laat veg? Or will you then throw a firewall to block me and make me fight this cyberstorm by myself. Okay, so let's discuss a bit about the structure of the poem. Here we Dragons by Isaac de Vries. De uiterlijke bouw, the structure of the poem, 9 strofes, gedig bevat meestal kwatryne, behalwe sommige spesifieke strofes is korter, waar klem lê. Daar 27 versreëls. Die lengtes en versreëls verskil, geen vaste rympatroon nie, daar's geen of min hoofletters en leestekens. 4 versreëls is 'n kwatryn, 3 versreëls is 'n tersiene, en 1 versreël is 'n alleenplasing. Now we come to the speaker, die spreker, die persoon wat praat in die gedig, is 'n eerste persoon spreker. 'n Jong seun wat met sy pa praat. Die seun gebruik sy pa as 'n rekenaar en wagwoord op die internet. Het is vir hom soos 'n ontdekkingsreis. It's like an expedition for him. Net soos die seevaders van ouds is so ontdekkingsreise wat baie gevare ingehou het. Just like the seafarers in the old days on the expeditions, there were lots of dangers. Hou hierdie internet surfing ook baie gevare in. This internet surfing also contains a lot of dangers. En die seun vra vir pa om vir hom ruimte en vryheid te gee. The boy is asking his dad to give him room for exploration and to do his internet surfing and to give him the freedom. Maar ook dat hy sal help as dinge dalk skeefloop, but also that he will help if things go wrong. So let's go to the first verse. Pa se kodewoord draf ek in 'n oog wil kaf. My mes surf dwingend op nuwe remtes af. So there you have it, the first verse. Pa's father. Kodewoord is pa's word. Ek, that's the speaker, which is a young boy. Draf ek in 'n oog van kaf. Oog van kaf means he finds the password very easily. My mes surf dwingend. May en M, May en mes. Alliteratie. The mouse on the computer. My mes surf dwingend, so this personification. A mouse is given the qualities of a human being, like it's surfing. On its own, opnieuw ruimt het af. Right, so that's the first verse. Guys, we'll continue this next time. It's late now, tired. Cheers.